Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we're working on the 2021 Chevy Colorado. But before we get too far into today's video, you guys know the routine. Go ahead and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff, super helpful. It's very greatly appreciated. All right, let's talk about what we're doing today. The other night, the wife and I were driving home and, well, we ended up getting a rock chip in the windshield. Now you might be able to see it already. It is, well, I know I got glare, but it is right there. A little white speck. We'll see if I can get this bad boy to focus on that better there, but anyways, we got us a little rock chip, so we're going to attend to that today. So here in the Midwest, with the drastic temperature changes, especially in the middle of the night when it gets super cold, you get up in the morning, start your car to warm it up, throw those defrosters on. If you've got a crack or a chip, it's only gonna make it worse, that change in temperature. So today we're gonna be using this do-it-yourself windshield repair kit, and the wife picked this up on Amazon and it showed up yesterday, so here we are today. I've never used one of these. We're gonna give it a whirl, see what it's like. I don't know, we're gonna rate it, test it, see what we think. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what it's all about. Let's crack this guy open and see what it takes. A little pack of goodies there. Looks like some instructions. So, clean damaged area. We already went ahead and washed the entire vehicle, cleaned the windshield up good, so we're good there. Mount seal to windshield. Remove backing from seal. So it looks like these red guys are the seals. Let's go put this on.
Later.
All right, so it's been 10 minutes and we're supposed to move the plunger to pressure. Hold the injector with one hand and rotate the plunger, releasing and depress plunger towards downwards, engage upper notch, and let set for 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
All right, so it's been our 20 minutes. We are gonna go ahead and lower the plunger. That snaps off. Well, I mean, it's still there. It's just... it's definitely better, but it's still there a little bit, so at least it's not going to grow and get worse, and that's what we are trying to prevent. That's going to wrap it up for this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have a chip or something in your windshield, you might want to try this. It's pretty cheap, inexpensive, very easy to do, and you know, it's going to save you from having to replace the whole windshield. Now you can put it off for a little while, or it's cheaper than having to have somebody come out, especially if you don't have glass coverage with your auto insurance. So definitely something to look into. We found this one on Amazon. You can probably pick one up at any of your local auto parts stores. Actually, I know you can. So, you know, if you're out and about and you need one, pick one up. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.